What makes Johnson & Johnson Vision unique in the space that we're in is we are the market leader in contact lenses. So why did Johnson & Johnson Vision choose to put our headquarters here in Jacksonville? It's really simple. We have the ability to recruit amazing talent. Our manufacturing employees, about 80% of them are either active or retired veterans. We're able to get folks in with highly skilled capabilities. This has been a location that enables us to get the very best talent. That product is being moved by freight, truck, boat, air, and all of that is being centrally deployed out of this campus. And we also have the ability to have end-to-end focus from our R&D to our manufacturing, our distribution. We are the market leader in contact lenses. That market leadership and headquarters is based here in Jacksonville.